Baking soda for bed bugs. Learn how to get rid of bed bugs infestation with baking soda. People are anxious to get rid of bed bugs infestation and searching information about it. We are here to help them with a very simple method of killing bed bugs with baking soda. Keep in mind that a female bedbug can lay 3,000 eggs, and one egg can stay undeveloped up to a year. This makes it more difficult to get rid of bedbugs even after using a lot of toxic chemicals. So, we recommend to try with pest control professional for getting rid of bedbugs infestation. But most people are searching for some inexpensive ways to kill bed bugs as the professional service is very expensive and not affordable for them. That's why we have collected and explained here a simple method of killing bedbugs with baking soda. If you follow our instruction, you can do it yourself. Baking soda is very simple kitchen item that can be used for getting rid of bedbugs effectively. So, you need not spend extra for this purpose, and you can exterminate bedbugs from your entire home with baking soda. For this DIY method you'll need the following things. Number 1. A flashlight and bowl. Number 2. Paintbrush and hard brush. Number 3. Vacuum cleaner and baking soda. Now follow the instruction. Number 01. Identify all the infested places. At first, identify all the places in the house where bed bugs are likely to exist. Check carefully each and everything, including any cracks and crevices with a flashlight to get an enhanced look in dark corners. Write down all the places you find bedbugs, or their eggs, or any other symptoms of bedbugs infestation. Proper identify is very important, or you may assume other bugs as bedbugs and treat them wrongly. Usually, bedbugs centered around the bed including clothing, bed sheets, pillow, mattress, bed spring and frame, etc. But they can hide in other places also. So, we need to check everything. Number 02. Remove all the clutters. Remove all the clutters from the infected areas as bed bugs including many other insects are likely to shelter in clutters. You many use a hard brush to remove the sticky clutters if any. Don't shift the clutter to another area of the house, as this will spread the infestation in your good area also. Instead, keep all the clutters in plastic bags, seal them well, and treat them with baking soda before open it. Number 03. Spread baking soda with a paintbrush. Now, immerse a paintbrush into a bowl with baking soda, and spread it all over the floor surface including other places you suspect bedbugs are hiding. The paintbrush will help you to spray a light layer of baking soda around any cracks and crevices, carpets, even on the sofa. Also, you can spread baking soda between the bed mattress and the bed spring, all the surfaces of the mattress, as well as the frame. Number 04. Remove baking soda. Now keep the baking soda a few days until you see dead bedbugs or nymphs. Remember, nymphs are usually difficult to see. You may need close attention and extra light or lens to observe them. Ensure they all die before removing the baking soda with a vacuum cleaner. Tips and warning. 01. This process seems very much time-consuming, but it's the most economic and easiest way to kill bedbugs effectively. Since bed bugs are very difficult to eliminate even with the help of professional exterminators, and a lot of toxic chemicals, you need to reapply baking soda several times a year. 02. If you want to remove bed bugs fast, and like to spend more money, then you should not apply this method. 03. It's necessary to treat the entire home at a time. Otherwise, your good area can be reinfested from the untreated area. Hence, your total efforts to get rid of bedbugs will result nothing, unnecessary loss of time and money. That's all about baking soda for bed bugs.